Are these the best sublimation t-shirts that you can get at your local Walmart? So one of the biggest questions that I get asked all the time and that I see absolutely everywhere in every single Facebook group is, where can I get sublimation t-shirts that, one, feel good, and two, sublimate well with good bright colors and none or minimal fading? So one of the most common shirts that I see recommended everywhere are the George shirts from Walmart. Now, the thing that gets me about these shirts is the fact that it doesn't tell you what material they are. I thought legally they had to tell you what materials were included in the shirt or in the garment because, some people might be allergic to polyester. So, I don't know. I just always assumed that was something that, legally. Actually, I remember reading it. You know what? Okay, so according to this website, Print Aura, it says that as far as clothing label requirements, basic info that's required on t-shirt labels, one of those included is the material. So 100% cotton, 60% cotton, 40% polyester. That's always something that I always thought was, like a general rule of thumb. But I don't know, I guess not. I guess not to corporate giants like Walmart. But seriously, the only thing that made me think that this is polyester is the fact that it says moisture wicking. Now, I don't know if it was just this one shirt, but I'm pretty sure I didn't see it in some of the other ones either. Yep, nope, can't find it. Like on this label, the only thing that it tells you is the UPC number and the type of shirt it is or the model that it is, the GESS Crew T. And then right here, it's the same thing. It just tells you the size, the UPC, the type of shirt, the fact that it's moisture wicking, and on the label back here, it doesn't even mention anything about the material or even how it needs to be washed. It just gives you made in Haiti and the RN number, which I guess is like their stock number. So just to confirm, I went to walmart.com and I looked them up. Now there's two different types of shirts that they sell on here that they sell just one of or in singles. And one is the regular sleeve crew neck tee, and the other one is the crew neck tee with short sleeves. It's so strange. One is the George Men's short sleeve crew neck tee, and the other one is the George Men's crew neck tee with short sleeves. Like, seriously? But okay. Now I did click into both of them, and both of them are 65% polyester with 35% cotton. And I'm pretty sure this is the one because it's $4.98. And I'm pretty sure I paid about $5 for it when I went to Walmart yesterday. So yeah, this is it. If you want this, it's going to be down in the description below. All right, so now let's go ahead and print out our design. But first, I actually need a design. So let's make one really fast using AI and Kittl. So right now I'm over at the Kittl website. Let's just think of something random. So just completely random thought I had: an aggressive Muay Thai fighter gently holding a chihuahua and loving it. Now, as far as the that's so weird. So as far as the actual art style, there's a few different options we can choose from. We have the regular image styles, which give you an actual, block image. So it's going to be in a square or a rectangle. But then we also have the clip art styles. These are the ones that I typically go with because they're a lot easier to use for things like t-shirt printing because they don't give you a background. So it's going to be just the image itself. So I'm going to choose the detailed drawing clip art style for this. And let's just go ahead and generate. Okay, and all right, that's actually pretty funny. I'm gonna wear this to my class and see what everybody tells me. Let's make another one. I don't like how his forehead came out, to be honest with you. It was really funny though. Let's do a more cartoonish version. All right, so this is the one that it gave me. I dig the fighter, but I'm not entirely convinced with this type of image. I don't know. I didn't really like the cartoon version of it. So last one. Let's just go with t-shirt graphic. Okay, and this is. I think I'm going to do this one. I like this one a lot. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to make it bigger. Let's go ahead and download. By the way, if you want to check out Kittl and you want to use their AI services and be able to download at 300 DPI, which as always is going to be the best resolution for you to download and print your images at, you can go ahead and use code NECOPRINTSTT to get 25% off your subscription. Okay, so I have everything loaded up on my Sawgrass print utility. I have it mirrored, which honestly, it doesn't really matter in this case because whether it's mirrored or not, it still works. There's no text. But besides that, I have it fitted to the paper size. Product is going to be polyester because we got polyester t-shirts, tabloid, which is 11x17 as far as the media size. Print quality, let's leave it at high quality. The media type, I use Texprint DTR Heavy. That's the one that I always go with, even though I don't use that same paper. I actually use my own paper, which is the Neckoprint's Sublimation paper, which I have a few left over at neckoprints.com. So if you want to check that out, by all means. And that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and print. All right, so we have our shirt loaded up. It's ready to press. I already did a pre-press. Let's go ahead and lay down our image. And let's press for 45 seconds. All right, time is up. Let's go ahead and lift it up slowly. All right, so I said we were gonna test out to see if it fades or not, so let's go ahead and drop it in the washer. All right, so this is a side-by-side comparison on the two, the left before it's washed and the right after it was washed. Now, I'm also wearing it, and let me give you a quick review on it. So as far as how it feels pretty good. So typically there's two different types of polyesters that I felt in terms of shirts. One of them is a really stretchy one like dry fit, but then the other one is the one that's a little bit more, I guess, softer. They're trying to make it a bit more like cotton. And the only other brand that I've used that has pretty superior quality in terms of polyester t-shirts that actually feel like cotton and feel good and are very soft are Yazbek. Now those I hold at a very high standard. Those are gold standard to me. They feel amazing. But these are a pretty close second. Now keep in mind this is 65% polyester and 35% cotton. So it is going to have a bit of a different feel. And it is also a little bit stretchier, not too much. The Yazbek ones, they really don't have much stretch at all. But this one has a bit of wiggle room. But again, it's probably because of the cotton part of it. Now as far as the color, you can see that there is a little bit of fading. It's not a lot, it's nothing massive. It still looks pretty good, but it kind of gives it more of a, I guess you can say it's a bit more of a vintage style. But it doesn't look bad. The colors didn't fade too much. They didn't wash out too much. Overall, it's still very vibrant. It still looks really good. And honestly, I dig it. I'm actually going to wear it to the gym tomorrow, see what people tell me. Overall, though, it is a very good quality shirt. It's something that would be good for, pretty quick projects, things that you need done fairly quickly. Now, would I use this for a job? That's the big question. Maybe. I can't 100% say yes because, honestly, the colors don't pop as much as I would like them to. But overall, the quality is really good. It's sublimation. It obviously feels great. You literally don't feel absolutely anything because it's part of the shirt now. And it's never going to fade from this. It's never going to crack. The way you see it here, that's pretty much how it's going to be until the shirt itself gives out. So depending on the job, depending on what my customer wants, depending on what I'm trying to do, I would use it. But I would make sure that my customer's cool with it. But overall, the quality of the shirt, really good. It feels good. It's not itchy. Again, it's a little bit stretchy, but not too much. I wish it was a little bit stretchier. Let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know your thoughts on the George shirts from Walmart. Have you used them? Have you sublimated on them? Have you offered them to your customers? What do you think? Do you like them? Do you consistently use them? Or did you just find a better alternative? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you liked this video, if you enjoyed it, if you took something away from it, please make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that little bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. Huge thank you once again to everyone for watching. My name is Mario with Neckoprint, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace.